about to go to the beach with my best friends. Jenny is driving us to the beach. We're going to Ocean City, and it's gonna be so fun. In the car. Oh yeah.
Jenny's in the car.
Hi.
Lexi, block the bridge.
That's what I'm doing. Okay, good. We're on the bridge.
We're on the bridge.
Look at Jenny go.
Look at her.
Yeah.
Almost crashed, but we didn't.
Don't say that.
We did though. I almost hit that car.
5 minutes. Yeah.
Look, you can see the water.
Oh my god, it's so pretty. Look at the Ferris wheel.
We made it to Ocean City. Look how pretty. We made it to Ocean City. Jenny parked.
Like a
We
girl
don't
boss.
know if it's a parking spot, but we parked. Look at the beach. And Jenny. What do you have to say, Jenny?
Yes, talk to the vlog.
Nothing.
And Jenny's upset because we had to walk far.
Yeah, even though she's the one who parked.
She was
the
like,
car.
oh, it's gonna be fine. Then, like, literally a second later.
It's like
Walk 2 feet, she was like, oh my god.
2 blocks this way and 2 blocks that way.
But look how nice
So
it is.
it's
It's
like
a good exercise.
Alright, but think about how
Come
nice
on,
our legs
Jenny.
are gonna look, Jenny.
Exactly, toned legs.
Look at my calf.
Look at this. That's pretty.
Look at
We on the beach. Yeah, on the beach. Look at Jenny. Hey, hey. Oh yeah. Jenny brought a chair. She's like flexing on us. Like, and then brought this small towel. I mean blanket.
I forgot my other one. It was supposed to be my bag, and then I was like on the car right here. I was like, I think I forgot it on my bed.
Yeah, look at us.
Oh my god, I'm not going in.
Hashtag POV, you're in the water. Look at the wave. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Look at the wave. She brought us to the beach and she's not even going in the water. She literally came here, said, let's dip our feet, and then dip.
Talk about big friends. Oh my god.
POV. Water. We're gonna drown Jenny for clickbait. Yeah, come here, Jenny. Jenny's being a big puss. It's cool. Just go in for a little bit. Like in there. Jenny won't go in the water.
She's being a pussy.
Not right now. Once I get warmer, I will.
Last year for the last vlog, remember when she didn't go in? Megan and Courtney also didn't go in. I wanted to go in and they were just like, it's too cold.
Cause I be the baddie bitch, young money. It's an army.
Jenny on the chair. Hey, on the throne, like the queen she is. Girl boss. Oh yeah. You already know. Oh wait, I did not mean to do that. Jenny went in the water. She finally did. And then we all went out. We're about to go on the boardwalk to get some food though. Going back to the car.
What's up?
Yeah. Look how cute.
Do you want to see my fit?
Hey.
Wow, look at that drip.
Hey.
Her toes out.
My fit. Oh yeah. We on the way to the car. It's like 2 blocks away. Maybe, I don't know. I can't do math, so that's probably not right. But then we're going on the boardwalk. Jenny's about to turn her face. Going back to the boardwalk. Hey, hey, hey.
Hi guys.
What's up?
You know, like I was just like, you know, when you're in like a mood and you're just like ill. But now I don't feel ill anymore, guys.
Oh yeah.
I was feeling ill on the walk here.
That is inspiring.
Now I no longer feel ill.
Yeah?
Because Jenny inspired me.
Also, look how cute Jenny looks. Look at her.
Thank you.
Okay, best friend.
It's like, anyways.
Fans. Especially that one fan.
Hashtag POV, you're in the background.
Fix my hair. Let me dry my hair.
Look how much darker I am compared to my front.
I can't tell that much.
That is so funny. Oh my. I just found the, oh my god, it's Crazy Cow from Jude's work. Me and Jenny got pizza. Yeah, what'd you get?
I got chicken cheesesteak.
Oh yeah.
Oh, please do.
Welcome back to my ASMR channel. Look at my pizza. Jenny has so many fans. I literally turned to my left. I was like, no fucking way.
No, okay,
no
listen,
fucking
we
way.
passed them, and I was like, that kid. has
Okay,
a
let's
lot
give
of
context
stomachs.
first. We saw Jenny's friend. No, Jenny's ex and his
Jenny's
friend.
ex-special friend.
special friend. Okay,
Yeah,
continue.
So like, I saw them walking that way, and I was like, that kid has a lot of sunscreen on his face. His face looks white. And then I was like, wait, that looks like him. And then I was like, and then we went by, right? And then we were like, I don't feel like walking. Well, I was like, I don't feel like walking. And we turned back, and I'm like, oh, that's for sure them. That's for sure them. And then, of course,
Because they were shouting like, Jenny!
I know, it's
Why
just
did
weird.
you have to do that? They didn't do it
Pussy's
just
so
once, they did it
good.
3
That's
times.
why.
Like, if we're not responding, obviously we don't want to talk to you.
It's not my fault. He's obsessed with me.
He is a little bit obsessed.
I hate my life though, seriously.
Vlogger. The best vloggers.
That was the worst angle, just
Hey.
seeing him be like holding it.
Yeah, look at Licky Dog. Look at this guy. Oh yeah. Also, Jenny bought a coffee. Rates a coffee.
So cold. Oh, it's okay.
It was only like $2. Pretty good price. Oh yeah.
It's good too.
She looks like Emma Chamberlain, but hotter. Nah, they're both hot. On our way home. Yeah, look at us. And P-Talk. Yeah. Jenny literally told us all to pee before going in the car. And guess who has to pee? Guess who has to pee?
I went pee.
She
I
literally
literally was like,
peed.
I'm gonna go pee because I know I'm gonna have to pee again because of my coffee.
Then
And then
Jenny pees so loud and so much.
And then I had to pee again.
Anyways, we're at Wawa because she has to piss. Little
Sorry, I
turn right.
The audacity.
Then turn right.
I turn right.
turn around. The sun's setting.